This is when me I go to high school. And I can't forget. Me was 12 at the time because me passed my common entrance me in a grade 5. So me got high school early. I was 12, I mean 7th grade. Can't forget it. And one day me I come from school and the time me live at Yallas. Me I got high school at Mark Bay. I drive a couple miles to and from yard. And I even me come from school and it so happen say my mother did come from Curacao at the time and she did there with me. So boom me I come, me I want to hurry up for come from school now for go spend time with my mother and thing, you know what I mean? So jump on one of the coaster bus them, and be a school as the night. Now it ain't full. So a few schoolers in night, and I sit down right there. Like one of the one seat from the door where the doctor there. And I sit down there, and regular day, and bus a drive and things. So when the man them a shot it, if you got town. And I say the bus a speed, I mean I tell you, say when bus a speed and when bus a race at Jamaica, man them a send it. And at that time, they may tell you say that speed it kind of come like was a different level of speed. And me I said, no man, this not normal. And me just start to pray. Me start to pray, me I pray, and the whole prayer me I beg God, say, God, please me I beg you, slow down the bus here. Cause it a drive too fast and me just feel like we are going to meet in an accident. You understand? And me just I pray to God, I ask God, say, please me I beg you, just please me I beg you, no make we meet in an accident because the bus a move too fast. You understand? And which part me live at Yellas, right before, like about a mile or two before you reach where my stop there, place out there, so they call it Pan Side. You understand? And they have a deep corner for out of Pan Side there, so where your company stretch, and because your company stretch now, you get the bus and vehicle and speed come down pan a stretch there, and then right at the end of the stretch, the straight road, you have a corner and enough vehicle fly off and go over there in a pan from a little corner there, because the corner steep. It's a sharp corner, you see me I say, and I tell you say when time I look, reach out Pamphlet this and me I look I go down now and me look with it on the straight stretch of road and me I look if you see the corner where I come up where enough vehicle because of speeding fly off go over in a pan there. Me see corner come up and me say that make me start pray even more. And me I say God please me I beg you, please me I beg you, slow down the bus here cause we are going to fly over in the pan and it a go too fast. Please me I beg you. And me say trust me I tell you, me so frightened because me say me swear say yes we are going to go over in a pan if we continue at that speed. And me I tell you say man, when time like when the bus a senator come now and when the straight church road bout we finish and it a go going at the like right before it we going at the corner, me only see the bus start to slow down. The bus start to slow down and the bus slow down until it stop. And when the bus stop, me and the doctor say to the driver, what happened driver? Oh, you stop the bus. And the driver look round for the doctor and say, what you mean when me stop the bus? Now you hear somebody call for one stop. And the doctor say, look down back in a bus and the whole of we look upon him and I said, nobody not call for one stop. And the doctor said, driver, how you at? You hear things, man. And driver kissing teeth and turn around and drive off. And the drive off, when drive off, I saw him up go around the corner slowly. And me say just in that moment there, is like you know, as a 12-year-old, like, may I say, wow, what just happened a while ago? Like, me I say to myself, say, there's no way that is real. Like, it's like me couldn't believe what just take place. Me couldn't believe, you know, it was so surreal to me. And me I say, no man, like this just crazy. Yeah, tell me say, I, oh that happened. Oh that happened. And when me finally reach my stop, you know, when a man jump off a bus and me say me run from the bottom of the lane right. Me no stop run until me reach a me yard, you know, man. So excited. Boy, me excited for cause my mother did it. And then me excited for tell her what happened. And then me sit down with her and me start to tell her, say, Nana, you don't know what just go on a while ago. And me I tell her the whole thing what happened. And then she start and she say, what you do? And me say, me that pray, ask God for the bus, for slow down. And she explain and I tell me, say, then answer God answer your prayer. And because you did a prayer and ask him to stop the bus, to slow it down, and your prayer get answered. A God that prove himself to you. My mother explained that to me and tell me, say, even though as a youth, me know God and you grew up, you know, in the church and everything there, but in that moment there is like you get confirmation of the things them where you got church go hear about and the things them where you read in the Bible and where you see on the TV. You get a confirmation there for yourself. And it's a very powerful kind of feeling, man. It's like you prove God. Nobody, no pastor can come to you. Nobody, no pastor have to come to you. Nobody can come to you and tell you nothing. You prove God for yourself. Say, the power of God is real and God exists. Just that was my moment where God revealed himself to me and say, yeah, if you want something, just ask me and I will deliver it to you. If you pray and believe, you know what I mean? And as a 12-year-old youth, that was my confirmation, man. Me I tell you, that was my confirmation. And many times, even in my adult life, as a 12-year-old boy, then me draw upon. Me look back and me remember sometime when you get trapped in the world and you drift from God and go in the darkness. You get what I say, and the enemy trap you up on them thing there. Sometimes at that 12-year-old, me have to drop on and remember say God real and remember say God prove himself to you. As me say, me always try to just tell people say, you know, if we be on a channel here, we just share stories and share life experiences, you know what I mean? And if you have what moment in your life where God prove himself to you, you know, drop it in the comments, man, and share it with the community, man. Because I learn from the comments them too, you know. Sometimes some things I'm reading in the comments them, it uplift my spirit or it teach me something or enlighten me about something when me never know. You see me I say so that any the year moment where you prove God, drop it in the comments, man. I make you know, man. And we don't know. If you know, me and everybody may agree with what me I say. So, you know, whatever your viewpoint pan when me just share, drop it in the comments. I make you know and share to the community. You see me, I make you just continue the discussion. You see me, I say so that are my moment in my life where me prove God and much respect to the people again. And as me say, big up on yourself, the support of the channel. And until the next video, bless.